In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing options. Begin by going into your default keyboard and clicking on this icon of a briefcase at the top left corner. Then scroll down to access more settings. Click on Input Settings here. And as you can see, some typing options are over here. To access only English ones, click on one of those versions of English keyboard and operate all of those however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!